Hey guys, have I got a treat for you, especially in the colder months of the year. You're gonna pour about 8 to 12 ounces of milk in a mug. You're gonna put it in the microwave and heat it for 60 to 90 seconds, depending on your microwave and how hot you like it. Next, you're gonna add a scoop of cinnamon oatmeal cookie JYM protein blend. You're gonna stir it in. I like to mix with a fork. Tastes like warm, fresh cinnamon oatmeal cookies right out of the oven. Feel free to sprinkle in more cinnamon or even top with whipped cream. This makes a great nightcap to help you sleep and recover. In fact, a recent review study on drinking casein protein 30 minutes before bed confirms that it increases muscle protein synthesis and decreases muscle protein breakdown during sleep to improve net protein balance. That means better recovery and more muscle protein. Give it a try and let me know in the comments if you have a favorite flavor of JYM that you love in warm milk.